In step 4, you calculate either the z or the t statistic, and then you find the p-value. And the z and the t statistic are almost the same. The main difference, or the only difference, is that for the z statistic we use the population standard deviation, and in the t formula we use a sample standard deviation. So depending on which one is given to you, you use one or the other, and that will determine how you get the p-value. Alright, here's an example. Say a pizza delivery company claims that the average delivery time is 30 minutes with a standard deviation of 5 minutes. So based on this first sentence, we can figure out that the population mean is 30 minutes and the population standard deviation is 5 minutes. And the reason I know this is the population mean and population standard deviation is because it's talking about their claim and it says nothing about a sample in that sentence. Then it goes on, it says, you, the researcher, believe the actual time is greater than that based on personal experience. You think it takes longer on average, but you don't know exactly the average time. You take a random sample of 100 delivery times, so that's how many you sample, so that's n, and that's 100. And you find the sample mean to be 31. What is the test statistic for the hypothesis test? So I want to find the test statistic. We're going to find z in this case because we're given the population standard deviation. We know it. So we can use the z instead of the t. So we're going to do the 31 is the sample mean minus the 30, the population mean, divided by 5 over the square root of 100. So you want to find the standard error first, which is the bottom. So we have 5 divided by 10, and so that's going to be 0.5. Then on top we're going to have 1 divided by 0.5. So 1 divided by 0.5 is 2. And so that's our answer. Z equals 2. If that was the sample standard deviation, we would still get 2, but we'd have a z statistic and we'd use a different distribution to get the p-value, which would be in the next videos.